Good morning everyone, welcome to Swagger and Swoon. My name is George and I'm going to show you how to tie a pinwheel knot today. Sometimes called a TrueLove knot. It is a little bit more complex than some of the other ones, so I'll show you all the steps here, but it may require a bit of practice before the big day. For this one as well, you may need an extra long tie, so it uses quite a lot of the tie to actually form the knot. I'm going to do it with a regular one here to show you, but because we've got our jacket done up, we can tuck it in and that's fine. If you're not wearing a jacket or you need a slightly longer tie, then an extra long one probably is advisable for this one. You also want to start with your wider end as your short end, and a bit more length on this thinner end here. So to start with, you want to cross the thin end over the wide end, and at this point you want to put a little pleat in your tie like this. This just keeps your knot from becoming too bulky and also keeps the front of your tie looking nice and neat there as well. So you want to wrap over the front like this and then come back out the other way like so. Wrap this one up and down the middle and then repeat that up and down the middle there. This forms sort of the shape of your knot there. You can see our triangle knot coming there. You then want to wrap over the front before taking it back up and out the middle like so. You then want to come down through that loop you just made, keeping it to one side like that. But as you come out the bottom of here, you now want to do a twist like this. So this bit should still be showing your normal front side. At the bottom it should now be showing the wrong side of the tie like so. Come up and back down your middle piece like this before finally taking your end over that one and under the loop we made up here. This is a bit fiddly to get through like so. And then as you can see, we then have our pinwheel shape showing here. You can do a bit of adjustment until you're happy with the positioning of all of your pieces. You can tighten and tie up using this wider piece here, like so. And then this bit just tucks up under the collar, out of the way. Like so, to give you your pinwheel shape here. And like I said, it's sometimes called the TrueLove knot, but that is the pinwheel tie.